All right, here is going to be backtest trade number 4. I actually just posted backtest trade number 3 on the account. I forgot to do that when I recorded it. But basically, this is what I do to get to my backtest trades. I want to get to the next New York market open and see if I want to take any trades that day. So right now we're just fast forwarding time. I have like 15 candles per second. This is London session. The blue is London session. Let's get about to 9:30 ish on one candle, and boom, we're at 9:30. So from here, I go ahead and mark out session highs and lows, 4-hour highs and lows, 1-hour highs and lows, and then anything else like hourly gaps I might need to mark out. So here we have London high. Here we got London low. It's actually looking pretty good for a trade to the downside right now because we have these two draws on liquidity so close together. That means market makers are definitely going to want to sweep this liquidity or resting sell orders below lows. Let's see. This is 81.065, 81.095. Okay, so this one is more expensive. It's higher, so we want this one is the low. Gotcha. All right. So now we have session highs and lows that have not been swept yet. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour, we have this move up, move down. Here's a high. This is a 4-hour low right here. This is a 4-hour low right here. Not much else on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 1-hour. See, we got this. This is in London session, so I doubt it will be useful. We got this high. This could help us determine our bias, see what London session was doing off of the hourly high and during Asian session, which is what that is. Not much of anything else over here. Let's see. It doesn't seem like high time frames are retracing into like a potential gap. We've kind of just been chop action at all-time high right now, so we're just gonna go ahead and see what our daily profile is looking like. So this is at the start of London session, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. We don't need that low. We did take out this hourly high as well as Asian high in London session, and it seems we did reverse off of this. So let's mark that out. Hold on, turn my touchpad off. There we go. So this is Asian high, and this was an hourly high in Asian session. So as soon as London session started, we just came up, swept this, and then right here you can see we kind of took a reversal. Now we have bearish price action upon sweeping these two highs. So we swept these in reverse, so that's going to give us a daily profile of London session, manipulation, and reversal to New York continuation. So when you see New York continuation, right now, since we reversed to the downside, we manipulated, we reversed to the downside, we want to be looking for shorts. So we want shorts, right? We also want some sort of manipulation in New York session. So this next session that's about to start, that just started, 9:30, 9:35, is New York session. We want some sort of manipulation. So after sweeping these, we want to manipulate some sort of high or get some sort of retracement before continuing lower to get down to these draws. So right now, let's look at the 15-minute. It seems we have retraced into at least equilibrium of this reversal during London session. We have retraced almost into the 79% of the fib. We're in this 15-minute gap right here, so I'm going to go ahead and mark this out, see if we want to react off of this. It seems there's no other gaps above it, so we could either take out like this high and get the 79, or we could start reversing right now. So let's see what it's looking like. Right now we have I want to say this is an evening star confluence. We we easily ate this doji candle, and we're showing strong bearish momentum. If we break structure here, I won't know that I can easily take a short. It's not looking like we broke structure. Let's see on the 15-minute, did we respect this gap? Looks like one more 5-minute and we're about to inverse it. Okay. Alright, so we did hit 79 on the fib retracement. So seeing some 5-minute bearish structure right now, and we're already past 9:45, so we can start our entries. I'd like to just see like a break of structure, inverse fair value gap, anything of the sort. Let's see. We did inverse this 15-minute bearish fair value gap to the upside, showing some bullish structure. Let's see if we can go against that right now. I made a low right here. I'm not thinking, because we did just actually inverse this 15-minute fair value gap, I'm not having such a strong bearish bias anymore, especially since after our reversal during London session right here, the move down, we also started going back up. So we could just be retracing for a move lower, but I think I might want to see some actually 15-minute bearish structure instead of just on the 5-minute. I need some bigger confirmation because right now we're just bull running all the way up. It's not looking good for a short right now. We have another low right here. We do have these highs right here. I'm gonna go ahead and mark these 15-minute highs out. See if we can get any reaction off of these three together. So we could be, even though this is our daily profile, we could be taking a New York manipulation and reversal. Strong bearish action, no breakup structure, however, and we swept all of our highs. Alright, so this could have been an objective for the day if we were looking for longs. Unfortunately, due to our daily profile, we were looking for shorts. We can see if we could get a short off of this, but it looks like there's not going to be any trade today. Okay, here we go. So here's a strong 5-minute bullish fair value gap. We do not inverse it. See right here is the gap. We do not inverse it. This wick doesn't mean we inversed it. My suit is going off. Let's see if we do right now. Wow, strong bearish confluence off of this liquidity sweep. So that's actually going in our favor. I want to see if we could hit one of these zones, maybe get a retrace up before continuing lower. We are printing down to the downside right now, which I like to see. This is the ideal zone for a retracement because we have this inverse fair value gap. And once you inverse a fair value gap and you retrace into it, it can later act as support, or I guess, I don't know support and resistance, but it's a ceiling for the price to continue lower. Right here off of this zone is what I like to see. I like to see us getting that bullish candle right in this zone instead of all the way down here. Here's our 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Let's see, 12 o'clock, 12:10, and we just closed, we inversed it. Alright, price is not looking so good right now. A lot of up, down, no good retraces that I could follow. So, wait, post not. Okay, we did close in this 15-minute fair value gap, but now we broke above it. So I could see if we get a reaction off the fib, but it's looking like no trade today. It's already way too late to take a trade. We hit 79%. Right here, we're bearish on the 5-minute. I'm gonna place a fake sell order. This is not, I'm not actually in this trade, just to see if I would have been right about bearish action off of this. But yeah, no trade today. Kind of looking like chop. Nothing really towards my bias. That is. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't know what the hell that was. That just popped up. But that would have been a banger, as a matter of fact. I would have put my stop to break even right here. Alright. That's it for today. No entry. Peace.